Young Pit freestyle, G shit, gang. Hey, look. Big chopper hit you, boy. Jacoba Young Pit, I'm smoking on that fishy, boy. And yeah, I'm not no referee, bitch, to let you know. Jacoba Young Pit, I don't have to use no whistle, boy. Bitch, I got stripes up in this bitch, nigga. I'm a beast. I be flying in the sky, nigga, like the fucking birds. I don't give a fuck, nigga, what the fuck you think you heard. Think somebody pissed up on my wrist because it's fucking shining. I be going ham in my ear, bitch, I wear them diamonds. All up in my blood, that's your rent money that I'm smoking. Yeah, they call me Cobra Young Pit. It's a freestyle. Fuck around and come up on your black and light it up now. Hell yeah, I hope your ass started light for July. I be in this bitch, light it up, nigga, all the time. Fuck around and have a pussy spirit, nigga, right now. Come up on your block with that 100 round right now. That's because we got 100 round, we get money now. When the nigga y'all was broke, we was shooting 50 rounds and 30 rounds and 10 clips. You already know that shit, but rather D in this bitch up, y'all that long clip. Shawty stretch up y'all arm and pump that chrome to your dome. How your ass fucking dead and RP my nigga don't. RP my nigga said, RP my girl Kumo, RP my motherfucking Godfather nigga Norm. I be smoking dope up in this bitch till a nigga cry. That's for my problems in this bitch, boy, that's all the time. Boy, you know these Cobra Young Pit. I be on the track, Cobra Young Pit up in this bitch. I have your body bag, put your ass body bag, toe tag, track his ass. I ain't trying to hear that shit in your conversation, man. You ain't talking about the M-O-E-Y, man. Bitch, I'm about that money in this bitch. Boy, that's me, though. Hobby in this bitch is getting money on the G, though. Shout out to my niggas that shoot them fucking threes, though. I'm talking about MJ up in this bitch on the G, though. Shout out to my nigga D Money, shoot them threes, though. Shout out to my nigga fucking Slate, shoot them threes, bro. You already know it. Run up on you, hit you real quick. Man, they call me Cobra Young Pit. I'm on that drill shit. G Cobra Young Pit, bitch. I'm a little nigga. I remember shawty, I was little, nigga. I saw motherfuckers having money, though. Jacoba Young Pit, bitch, I was little, though. Young nigga, I ain't had shit. That when I was broke, hell yeah, got a little older, got to selling dope. At the age of 14, bitch, I'm 18 now. You already know Jacoba fuck with them fucking pounds up. I got them kilos and I mess with them things now. And I got them quarters for the dub file right now. And I got the super loud, bitch, I call it power gas. Bitch, Jacoba Young Pit, baby, smoking power for the hour. Put this fucking 30 to your mouth and yeah, send it out. Jacoba, Young Pit, get a tune with me, man. You already know. Jacoba, you know. Man, I just been, you know what I'm saying? When I ain't on this motherfucker, best believe, when I ain't posting no videos or nothing, you best believe I'm working on something, you feel me? Jacoba, Young Pit, freestyle, bitch. Gang.